Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. For today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this awesome, juicy bacon wrap stuffed chicken breast. This recipe is so juicy. You know how chicken breasts always dry? Well, today we're making bacon wrap stuffed chicken breast. You know it's going to be juicy with the bacon fat and all. If you would like to see it, keep on watching and let me show you guys how it's done. All right, to get started, we'll be using frozen spinach. Mine is thawed out, so we're going to use 3 tablespoons of that. You can use fresh spinach, even better. And also I'll be adding some cream cheese in there as well. Make sure it's nice and soft. Also, we'll be adding some mozzarella in there and give that a quick mix. All right, this is what you have. I am going to season it with Italian seasoning and we're going to give it another stir, and this is what you have. We're going to place it on the side. Now I will be adding some bacon to the filling as well, so I'm cutting up some crispy bacon and add it to that. Give it a mix and then we're going to set it aside. For the chicken breast, it's nice and clean. We're going to cut the chicken breast, basically form a little pocket so we can insert our filling, and this is what it looks like. And now I am about to season the chicken breast from head to toe, inside out. You know, you want it to be nice and tasty. Now here I have some Italian seasoning, paprika with Cajun seasoning, and I added some salt as well. We're going to give that, well, some garlic, salt and garlic as well. We're going to give that a mix, and then we're going to season the breast with that. And of course, make sure you season the inside of it. Before we season the chicken breast, I am going to add some oil so my seasoning can stick on to the chicken. All right, make sure you season it really good, honey. We season our chicken from head to toe over here on Island Vibe Cooking. All right, this is what it looks like, right? This looked very well seasoned. Now we're going to stuff in our cream cheese filling, just like so. Do not over stuff the chicken breast. This is what it looks like. Now, like I said, I am going to wrap it with the bacon. Y'all know bacon fat is the recipe for any dry meat, okay? Now you can wrap all around it with bacon, but I wanted to leave some space so you can actually see the chicken breast. So that's why I leave some space in between. Now we're going to give the bacon a color on our cast iron first before we bake it. Of course, this is what it looks like before I start cooking it. Now in the same bacon grease that I cooked earlier for the stuffing or the filling, I am going to place the chicken there just to give the bacon a nice color. All right, we're not going to cook the chicken, just the bacon. Well, the bacon's not going to be fully cooked, just to give it some nice color. Flip it over and then remove it. I am going to remove some of the bacon grease. As you guys can see, it's a lot. I remove it with a napkin, and this is what it looks like. We're going to bake this on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, once it is done, honey, you have the perfect juicy bacon wrap stuffed chicken breast. This recipe is awesome. I literally ate half of this. I was too full. Look at that juice coming out of it, honey. This is so juicy. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. It was really, really good. Of course, the cream cheese. It's awesome. Try it out. Let me know what you think. If the video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Also, I do have another chicken breast recipe, which I will leave it on the screen right now. Click on it to watch it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.